Good evening. Welcome to a Nerd Running code segment. Though, to be completely accurate, this won't be a segment, this is going to be a series. It's going to be about learning the Garmin Connect IQ development kit for programming Garmin wrist devices such as the Fenix or the Vivo Active, etc. As this is something I'm going to be learning as I go, there will be mistakes and corrections that I'll make from video to video, and we can just all learn together. This particular video, the first one, will be about getting the environment set up. Something basically straight from their getting started page. Today will be Windows. There will also be a video for MacBooks that I will do separately and include a link in this video when that is available. There are 4 things to getting ready to set up the environment for Garmin Connect. The first is that they wish that you have Java 8 available, both for the requirements for Eclipse, which is their chosen development environment if you choose to integrate with an IDE, and for the tools that the SDK uses. The first step that they wish to do is to download the SDK and place it in a proper folder. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and download it. And if anything takes a significant amount of time, I will edit that out. Okay, here's the contents of the SDK. We're going to go ahead and put those in a folder where we can keep track of the SDK. And I have on my main drive here a developer folder. I'm going to go ahead and say Connect IQ. It's always a pain copying a lot of small files. There we go. Okay, they recommend you add it to your path, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I am going to add it to my permanent path so that I can use it anywhere. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and test that by seeing if I have access to their executables. Looks like I do. There's the launching of the simulator. Okay. So that is the SDK installed. Now I will include links to the SDK and the version of Eclipse I'm using and everything in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and install Eclipse now. Okay, here's Eclipse. Same dealie. I'm going to place it over here. Okay, and Eclipse is downloaded. Go ahead and open it up. That's certainly changed since the last time I've used Eclipse, which I haven't used since Android switched away from Eclipse to IntelliJ. So, it's been a while. Okay, first things first, let's go ahead and install the plugin that they would like us to use. Accept the license agreement. restart Eclipse. Okay, next is to figure plug in. So let's go ahead and go to IQ here and put in the SDK directory. Now this is different from the one set in the path. In the path you go into the bin directory in order to access some of the tools. The plugin needs to work from the base folder. I don't know what all this is. I think I hit something by accident. I want to show perspective. Other. Connect IQ. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call that for the first episode of this. There's an environment. We should have access to everything we need now, including the ability to update the SDK. Thank you.